Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am scrapbooking a couple photos when Christopher and I went to Leavenworth the first time. He took me for my birthday. So this is the bed and breakfast that we stayed at. It is called Abendblume, and this is the view from up here. We were in this room right here, and we had this big wraparound porch right here. The second time that we went and stayed, we actually stayed in this room over here. So we've been in both of these rooms. There's a really great fireplace and everything back through here. It's awesome. So anyway, I'm going to scrapbook these two photos. I have my never-ending kit, so let's see what I can do. All right, guys, so this layout comes together pretty quickly. I'm going to give a flip through from my papers, and that flip through is going to contain the pattern papers and also, oh goodness, I am so sorry, you guys. I am exhausted. And also the cardstock. So I'm going to flip through. I have this yellow tone-on-tone paper that I find to be absolutely gorgeous, and I do believe it is from Bo Bunny. I have this striped paper, and then I'm also going to pull out a sheet of blue cardstock. Now that striped paper is from the Chamel's main character energy paper, and I appreciate everyone who has used the code NEVER for all things on sale at the Scrapping Reflection shop for a discount. And you guys, that sale is going to be ending really soon, so you want to make sure you want to use the code NEVER for any American Crafts products at the Scrapping Reflection shop, scrappingreflections.com. Do the drop down, hit American Crafts, and then you'll be able to get a discount on everything American Crafts. And then, of course, the other stuff is there as well. I do plan on having a shop release for my birthday, which is in the month of May. We're going to have new stencils. I'll have new products. It'll be a whole thing. So look forward to that as well. So I'm going to trim down this striped paper again from Main Character Energy from Chamel, again at the shop. Got to do the shameless plug, you guys, because sometimes I don't do a good enough job of letting you know that Sandy Reversky is State Goddess, is Scrapping Reflections. Some people are like, what? Are you kidding me? No, I'm not joking. Sandy Reversky is State Goddess, is Scrapping Reflections. All the things. It's me. Hooray! So that is there. I am going to go ahead and put the striped paper down, and then I'm going to put that beautiful tone-on-tone paper from Bo Bunny across the top. Now, I actually love the other side of this Bo Bunny paper too, where it's a diagonal piece. I am sorry, you guys. I'm exhausted. It's been a long week. You know what I'm saying? I could really curl up and go to bed right now. Tuesday, I was at work at 4:30 in the morning. That's when my shift started, and I ended up staying basically until close at 7 p.m. And yesterday, I just really did not catch up on any kind of sleep, and today I am exhausted, like seriously exhausted. I went to IKEA after work today, and I picked up a shelf for my bookcase, and an extra shelf. I picked up a thing that I think might work to hold kits in. I talked myself in and out of buying things multiple times, and I took a bubble bath and relaxed, and you guys, that bubble bath just like wiped me out, and it just proved to me how tired I was. So I am so sorry. I am tired. And things like that happen, right? Like things like that happen, and I know that some people can get upset because there might be yawns or there might be things in my videos, but you know what? I'm real, and here I am, and I'm putting this content out for free, basically. No, not basically. Like, I'm not charging. I don't charge a YouTube membership. I don't charge a Patreon membership. I have had multiple people tell me I should. But really, I love the community here. I love the scrapbooking community, and I want to contribute. And I feel like this is a way for me to contribute. So even if my videos are slow, even if I'm so exhausted I can't even speak, it's me doing a video daily, and I have been doing that for years now, and that's basically what it boils down to, right? Like, it's just the thing that's happening. And you guys, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I am so flipping exhausted today. And I don't know what that is, right? Like, I haven't been exhausted in a long time. I haven't been miserable in a long time. I am completely happy with my job. I love my boss. I love my team. I love the things that we're doing. I love the progress that we're making. I love all the things. But sometimes, you guys, you just get to that point where your body is like, girl, you need to sleep. And yesterday was my day off. I did not sleep in, which I try to do usually on my day offs, right? Like, I'm not even talking about what's going on in the video. You can watch that, but I'm just going to run my mouth, because otherwise I might close my eyes and fall asleep. And it's been a long dang time since I've fallen asleep during a voiceover. Way back in the day, if you've been a subscriber or a watcher of videos on this YouTube channel, you'll know I used to fall asleep when I did voiceovers back in the day. You know, nobody told me that there was supposed to be some sort of professionalness to this. It's just the way I am, and it's just real, and there it is. And that's one of the reasons why I have not ever been able to really put out a class and charge people for it, because I'm me 100% of the time, and I'm like, are people going to be upset with me if I charge them for a class with the way I talk and the way I am? And they're just going to be kind of like, what is this for real? Is she really charging us for this content right now? I just don't know. Like, I have classes ready to go. I have things ready to go. I have things I've talked about. But it's still just me, and it's still running my mouth, and it's still the things, right? And you get all that for free here on YouTube. So why would you pay me money for doing that? I don't know. These are the things that run through my head right now. Okay, so back to this paper. I went ahead and punched out these chipboard shapes. These are from Cosmo Cricut. They are black chipboard shapes, and I'm going to use my Nouveau Deluxe adhesive on these bad boys, and I'm going to have them kind of nestle around my photos. I love this yellow on yellow paper, and I love it with the striped paper. I gotta say, one of these striped papers are one of my favorites. It's not going to be one that I feel like I need to buy an extreme amount of. It's just one of those ones that I just really, really like, right? Like, it's a great combination of colors. They are bright and fun. Now, this is definitely using the Never Ending Kit, and fun fact, I've already added things to the Never Ending Kit. I've already used up things in the Never Ending Kit. Like I said, yesterday was my day off. I did a good amount of scrapbooking. We did Whiny Wednesday Live. I brought in things that weren't exactly in the kit. I absolutely love the 2-page layout that we came up with for Whiny Wednesday Live, and I really love the fact that I went live again. It's been a minute. I took a little break from Whiny Wednesday Lives, but they will be back. And then tomorrow, Follow a Sketch Friday will restart. I haven't decided if I'm going to actually go live for that and make that sketch that way, or the sketch that I've already done. I don't know. I don't know yet, right? And I probably should know that because it is Thursday evening, but you know, your girl is wiped out today. I am simply exhausted. I could probably curl up into bed right now and fall asleep and not get up until I had to be at work tomorrow. And not that anything's bad in my life, right? Like, sometimes I think we equate exhaustion to bad things, right? Like stress and trauma and all those things. But I haven't been this happy in a long time. And not that that's saying my life, because in general, with Christopher and the kids in my life, I'm happy, right? Like, I am happy and I'm content. My work life used to be a really huge downer on me, but now it's not. I actually texted my boss today to thank her for the boss that she is, because it's been a hot minute since I've had such a great boss. And I said, and I think my husband even thanks you, because I've been happier than I have in a long time. And it's true, right? Like, you get a good boss, you're happier. But sometimes it doesn't matter how happy you are, it doesn't matter how good you are feeling, it doesn't matter how peaceful you are in your life, at how content you are in your life, when the stress that you feel is that good kind of stress that pushes you and transforms you and develops you, and you grow. There comes a point in your life where you're just tired, right? And I am there. I am just tired today, you guys. I work tomorrow, I work Saturday, I do not work Sunday. I am going to, hopefully, fingers crossed, sleep in on Sunday. I don't think we have any plans, so that might be a nice, slow, just relaxing day, because the tired is real. And I get it, like, I'm older. I definitely know I'm older, because my glasses are like, whoa, need to wear the glasses to see the things. Need to make an appointment too, because my bifocals are not fun anymore. Since I've had them since I was 28 years old. 28 years old with bifocals, you guys. My eyes were older than me. But anyway, I added those black cardstock bits. I went ahead and added a title and a couple lines of journaling. I'm going to use my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive to adhere these cardstock bits down to the page. And then I'm going to call this good. Thank you guys so much for supporting me over the past years that I've been on YouTube. Thanks for purchasing items from the Scrapping Reflection shop. Thanks for supporting my YouTube channel, my Facebook group, all the things. And thanks for putting up with me on days like this where I am just tired and rambling. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate it and how much I love you guys for it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.